You may have heard about the new Office, with services available in the cloud. Now, you can add a finance management solution to that experience, allowing you to take your business virtually anywhere. Let's take a quick tour to see how this works. Imagine you come to the office in the morning. You open up your device and your Office 365. Here's your email, your inbox, your contacts, all with a familiar look and feel. In Office 365, you also have SharePoint, SharePoint Online. Here you can have a team site, which the whole team has access to and can use to collaborate with each other every day. You can also access critical numbers you want to follow on a day-to-day basis and a range of reports with the ability to drill down into key numbers, all in real time. All data and reports come directly from Microsoft Dynamics NAV. Just one click away is your complete Microsoft Dynamics NAV tailored to you. No additional password needed. We unite both worlds with one interface. From your Office 365, you have a direct link into Microsoft Dynamics NAV. Microsoft Dynamics NAV looks and feels just like the rest of Office 365, making learning and using the financial application easy. We bring both worlds together into one united experience. You log into your day and have integrated access to all the information, business processes, and tools that you need to do your job. So every day, users of Microsoft Dynamics NAV can collaborate more effectively with the relevant people and together get more out of their information.